When I know some ragaton.
No, I didn't love him. I saw what I saw to him. Bengfuni sende like. Is it a crime as a woman to want isende kwindoda?
Mina uyangibuza sis mina.
Yeah, I'm asking you. If
Yeah,
you're
but
in my shoes,
yeah.
being cheated by a man, and then certify endlini. How bona listen the tama ko strateng o ka se khale a ke re le rena le ba side a re jika ba sha deflate. So I did the same.
Re ska dimela tšhelete re control.
O bona ya ka tšhelete nna. I'm very careful ka yona.
And we ka so
I'm very careful ka yona tšhelete ya ka. And I'm going to make sure I give it. Kaya ka tšhelete, I'm going to make sure banna ba ntisitse dipelo so now be kere ke zama le bentening yana la di chilangana gane ke faka again ka ra masipa futhi.
o batla lo etsang a gutlele Cape Town
Le sefebe sa hae ba tla e batla tšhelete and ba tlo e kry.
Tsala sa o fe o suetela.
And you know me better when. This is my yard. You see this place that we are living to. This is my every corner. Don't tell her when.
O sa go tlo mthola jwang because of so mo threatenisha no.
I want a threat. It's not a threat, it's an action.
Ke action o inkang o simarang kare e tloa ile wrong. Sneneng ke bona ka action tso dinkang o sinkare dina le bokotsi nyana. Ke action e fenya o tlo mo lematsa.
He knows who we tsenya hara eng.
O tlo mo lematsa. Batho ba bona le di camera di o shebile. If anything happens, if abuto a o fi 10,000 and anything e etsahala o yena, re tlo tsiba go kwena o in charge.
I won't care.
No, you will because of
I don't care.
o tlo ya tronkong my sis ke nna ke blana ko jotse maka o tlo ya tronkong basadi ba
The
tshwariwa.
one who's going to give o tlo nkisa ko torongo.
You'll see my sis, try this guy.
All right.
What's back ke batla o try this guy.
All right.
O tlo bona.
Okay.
Nice.
Nyaka 10.
Ha ona motho controlang lefatshe le o swaka e o ke a hana ha ona right of o threatenisha this guy because of yena asna cheleta asna power
Hana eng?
asna power my sis.
Ha sheba gore zip ya ha ya ntsha pipi we kenya mo koting o fe. This is a shark.
Nice. So when o know o mo etsa bo benten lena or o dlala fucking around lena o tseba go ba mo threatenisha.
I get mo threatenish.
O etsang o nka di
I hate moto. I hate moto backstepper. Don't
So
backstep.
how motho backstep o etsang wa mo bolaya.
Especially I put you down and tell you my problems. So this one he took advantage.
So o tlo metsa something e pet.
I'm not going to do anything to him, but he's going to give me my money.
Manga guys, how can tell us something go butio also involved? Lovers manga wa
Let
ibon.
me tell you something. Let
We
me tell you
lalel.
something.
Yes,
Let me tell you something. Mr. Lovers Lily Miss Blue. If anything happened, yet again, I'm going to call you same way that he did call you guys. Go idira life like now. When you
Shebeletse.
life.
Lovers uyamuzwisisa thina zabesibhekelele yena.
Mina I don't have a problem mangithi sobuya sibe na more episode. Yeah, so shy follow up.
Kuye ntwana.
So shy follow up. We wanna know.
Alimazi ubhuti futhi
I
abamlima.
know.
I'm not scared. I'm going to call you guys and do it live. I get he came with you guys to me.
Where is he king? Lovers. Where is he king guys? La bona le lona episode e complicated. A ke sa tseba eng ke eng ke kena eng kae. Mara he ke tlile. Mang ke le benten, mang o nthusa ka eng, mang o ile kae go ngata. Guys, lena if situation e so motho o sala tsamile le December. O ska le bala o emailela Blue ko Jozi Bioscope.co.za. Ke le rata ka ofela le subscribing le sharing di video tsa rona le re latelle. Yes baby.
Mr. Lovers, mina into engifunayo ngifuna imali yami. Ha ke re tšhelete ka ke nyaka ko fa 24 hours. 24 hours. Wantsha tšhelete ke nyaka o tla mmao a re tšhelete we grade. But wena ke nyaka o bona mo. Whatever ne re tlhakantša e fedile mareta mangata mo strateng ke tla wa topa ke tla wa kere ke na tšhelete. A ke le lona le kgona go reka nywana ko ntle kwa. Le nna ke kgona go reka lerete. Wa understand? Good. But ko fa 24 hours. O fa mmao tšhelete ele. Ka re mosadi ole she have been good to me. Azanka aba mosadi wa go ba ntša jolo ka wena. Mara ka ipotsa re ntša ya o tshwana le wena o itseya kae. Ska tlhola o tla mo le di camera. A se bioscope mo. Ra utlwana? A ke se ka mpitsa be. No, a se fonda lena guys. Kena a ka le kwatela. Letsa mmere kwa lena ba ntša wena akithi ngika ubetha le ka eng
Etswaleng.
Ungamshayi
Ah,
ngestima
ah,
udinga omunye umuntu ne.
Why is the relationship very complicated?
Mara uthi mina yini lezi ezenzayo.
Hi. Kganti lona tsotsetsang.
Umama wakho uyagula.
a le bua le mpotsa re o file mmage 10k le ska bua le tlo ntlhagela gore motho o nyaka o lokisa we never been in relationship nna le wena
Uchoose isifebe over umama wakho.
Ngithole ngibhayisikile.
And wawungatshela uBlue ngoba mawuchaza ukuthi mfethu ngichoose umama wami uyagula wathi.
Angizange ngaba ne-choice ukuthi ngichoose bekuyinto zokuthi manje zenzeke khona lana la yabo. Nami ngivele ngisuke la ngithi ngiyakumama. Yetsho ngathi ngijolana nentombi into zasematshwaleni yazi. Ngiyaphuma vele ngazithola.
Chaseletsang abuthi. Hayi nna ke tshilo nama ngisazi. Ngijalise ka episode like
Singamnceda my
Ke
brother,
tshila-
but this is
complicated. Nah, it's complicated.
Everything.